The first topic of the chapter is why do we need political parties? So what are the different situation or the requirement of political party in a country? Political parties are easily one of the most visible institution in a democracy. So political party is one of the most visible institution or organization in a democracy. For most ordinary citizens, democracy is equal to political parties. So for the normal citizens, they consider democracy is equal to the political parties. That means if a country run in a better way, it's all because of the political parties, according to the some ordinary citizens who don't have much knowledge about what actually a democracy means and what are the role of the political parties in a country. If you travel to remote parts of our country and speak to the less educated citizens, you would come across people who may not know anything about our constitution or about the nature of our government. So if you will go to the remote areas or the village areas of our country and speak to the less educated citizens, you will come to know that they don't have much knowledge about what actually our constitution is, what are the different rules and regulation which are made in our constitution, what actually a preamble is, and what is the nature of our government. They only know that the political parties, they rule our country and they run our country and they fulfill our needs and requirement, but they actually have no concept what actually Indian constitution is all about and what are the nature of different political parties and what role they play in our India. But chances are that they would know something about our political party. So there are chances that they will know a detail or they will have a detailed information about what actually a political parties is. At the same time, this visibility does not mean popularity. So at the same time, we cannot say that if a people or a group of people, they know about a political party just because they are popular. No, because they know about it. Why? Because they have only knowledge about what actually a political party is and what are the role played by them. It is not based on the popularity basis. Most people tend to be very critical of the political party. So there are many people, just like our father, they think that the politics is a dirty place and they consider a political party or to be a part in a politics in a is a bad uh, is a bad job which a person can take. So this is the main reason why the many people they think that political parties is a bad or a negative aspect in a country, because they don't have much knowledge about what actually a political party is and what are the role and what are the different problems which they faced in day to day life in order to run their scheme or their different types of policies so that they can satisfy the needs and requirement of the people. So it is all because of the lack of awareness. So this is the main reason why many people criticize the political parties. They tend to blame parties for all that is wrong with our democracy and our political life. So many people, they have a belief and they think that whatever the wrong incident which occurred in our country, it is all because of the political party, because they don't have much knowledge about what actually a political party is. Parties have become identified with social and political division. So the different parties have been identified and they are divided on the basis of social and political division. Therefore, it is natural to ask, do we need political parties at all? About 100 years ago, there were few countries of the world that had any political party. Now there are few that do not have parties. So in different countries, they still follow the policy of monarchy. That means the king and queen, they will rule a particular country, just like in French and Russian Revolution we have read, right? So there are many countries who still follow the policy of monarchy, and they do not consider political party as the important aspect to run their country, or they do not consider democracy as an important part in their country. We actually need a proper reason why we need a political party in a democratic country to run our government. So now we will learn in detail. Why did political parties become so omnipresent in democracies all over the world? Let us find answer what political parties are and what they do before we say why we need them. So in order to understand why we need a political party in a democratic country like our country India, first we have to learn or understand what actually a political party is, what are their role, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of having a political party. By knowing this, we can come to the conclusion that why we need political party in a democratic country.